And now to the very latest on yesterday's fatal tour bus accident on Highway 161 in Irving. We now know that 44 injured people have been accounted for, along with 2 people who were killed, and that brings the total to 46 people who were on that bus. Today, investigators are talking with all of the survivors and the witnesses. They're reviewing company safety records and the damaged bus to figure out what caused this accident. NBC5's Ken KALTHOFF is live with the very latest on the investigation and on the road repairs that are happening at the scene. Ken?
Well, KRISTI, the DPS people tell me that it could take all 10 business days that they are allowed to complete a preliminary report about what happened here. They say they just do not have a solid hunch about the cause. But today, workers did complete repairs to damage on this road. Highway crews replaced the rubber guardrail bumper the bus hit first and the damaged concrete barriers that kept it from crossing into oncoming traffic. Aerial pictures that clearly show the path of that bus as it skidded across the road are among the pieces of evidence investigators are reviewing now.
Currently, there's not one thing that's leading us to believe was the causative factor in this crash. So we're going to have to do a very thorough investigation, put all the pieces of the puzzle together.
The wrecked bus was taken to a Plano garage for detailed inspection, and every survivor will be interviewed, especially bus driver Lloyd Reevy, whose family says he's still in intensive care. Reports yesterday suggested he may have blacked out before the crash.
Some people, when they can't remember what occurred, think they blacked out before. And he may well have, or he may well just not have a memory of the event.
Attorney Frank Branson has represented injured passengers in other bus wrecks and says seatbelts and stronger windows could have protected passengers in this one.
When a bus turns on its side, the people who are on the top side of the bus become human projectiles.
A federal law passed last year still gives owners several years to install seatbelts.
The bus manufacturers need to be held accountable. They've known of this danger for a long time.
The witnesses who helped remove the victims will be interviewed too, as well as bus company executives who declined to speak with us last night.
We're going to make sure that all the pieces of this puzzle together, we want to be able to answer anybody's question.
Some witnesses yesterday reported hearing a popping sound that might suggest a tire blowout was the cause of this wreck, but Trooper HASCHEL tells me that the investigators have found no tire damage consistent with a blowout. They just do not have the answer to this mystery yet. Reporting live in Irving, Ken KALTHOFF, NBC5.
All right, thank you, Ken.